In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the favicon on your Shopify store. A favicon is the small icon that appears in your browser tab and helps make your brand look more professional and recognizable. Let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Next, click Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look for Theme Settings, usually located near the bottom of the sidebar menu. Now click on Logo or Favicon depending on your theme version. You'll see an option to upload or select an image for your favicon. Choose a clean square image that represents your brand well because favicons are displayed in a very small size inside browser tabs. After selecting your image, Shopify may allow you to crop or adjust it slightly for better visibility. Once everything looks good, click Done and then click Save at the top right corner. Now open your store in a new browser tab and you should see your updated favicon appear in the tab area. If the old favicon still appears, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify favicon and improved your store's branding. For additional customization help, you can visit the official Shopify theme customization guide. Thanks for watching.